for money, jumped on that for a faith. That for a faith. For a faith? Don't. You tripping? Don't. I'm broke, baby.
He just flashed when to get over.
Truck?
Yeah.
See that big body coming.
You see that wide body motherfucker coming through.
Out the way.
Leek. Trying to do a pull. That motherfucker was going crazy. And with these new tires, but these hoes are sticky. Shee.
That thing be yelling, but that supercharger's crazy.
Supercharger's crazy. I hope they heard it. I had to catch that open road, boy. It was too open. I'm telling you, bro, you jump that thing up in them RPMs, bro, hit that power band. 707 taking off with ease. Well, like 717 with these goddamn wide bodies. GT3. No, that was GT500, bro.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Do that hot shot thing, be towing them cars. Bro, didn't nobody tell your weak ass to get your stupid ass over here? That leg maker intake, that shit make the supercharger whine so crazy.
Make it louder.
Yeah. You can hear more. Gear and 7-gear pulls.
It's just so smooth, man. It's like effortlessly pulling.
Exactly. I'm talking about, and it's still climbing. I'm just letting off. That wide body thing, man, get out the way. The scat pull now, but it's I like how when I pull, it's still kind of solid. Sometimes I ain't gonna like, you can tire that loud ass shit pulling. I pull in this, it's quiet. Might put my mufflers back on.
I think it's quiet because of the because you're in the cabin.
Yeah, that's all. On the outside, I know they be probably loud.
Yeah.
Exactly. So I already know that's probably what it is. Cause I feel like I'm going like 70 miles per hour. Even though I'm going 60, you know. Hint, stupid ass. Nah, I don't give a fuck. I'm going 95. I ain't no big YouTuber.
We in Cancun anyways, goddamn.
You feel me?
Big Mexico.
Big Mexico. Cancun floating. Where's Nate though? I want to stay on 20. Goddamn, I think I might just stay on 20. Yeah, me and Occidental still gonna swap out one day, goddamn. Swap out for the day.
You drove since you got your exhaust?
Huh?
You drove since you got your exhaust?
Nah. I ain't drove yet. He heard it, but he ain't drove it. This slow ass shit.
Look.
Stupid.
Look.
Dumbass.
He trying to play with you, that's what he's trying
Exactly,
to do.
bro. Come on, bro. Slow that shit down, bro. It's not in the M3 or M series.
Look.
Stupid ass. Learn to drive that shit. Not even the M series, bro. Slow that shit down. Dumbass, baby. You a stupid fuck. These niggas can't drive, bro. You just downshifted.
He in a 550.
Oh,
Trying to act like he in the M5.
facts, bro. It's not in the M series, dog. Student driver. If you a student driver, I'd fuck you over here. This nigga still trying. I'm just seeing this nigga in the rear view just getting smaller.
You cruising, and I bet you he trying to put something up in there.
Exactly, bro.
It's crazy. It's just gets up with no effort, dog. Even the scat pack, it's working to get up. You can
It's
feel
working to get up, but this shit, you just
That
going.
supercharger just carrying it.
Damn, 18, what the hell you over here for? Oh, bro, you ain't got enough, bro. Nigga, even if I had my car, nigga, you ain't got enough. What the fuck? Like, I ain't worried about nothing, no Beamer that's not an M series. The fuck was that? Yeah, I'm saying on 20, cause all that traffic going on 285. All that traffic going on 285. Alright, yeah, we're going to end that one right here, man. Felo TV, short, simple, sweet video. It's a